Audio Jungle.
Hello guys. Welcome to WK Gadgets Mobiles. Today we reviewing Lenovo ThinkPad X380. Backlit keyboard. Fingerprint sensor. Condition, like brand new. 13.3-inch. Full HD X360 touchscreen. Intel Core i5 8th generation. RAM 16GB. 256GB SSD. Intel UHD graphics. Comes with original Lenovo pen. X360 touchscreen. Thanks for watching. Team WK Gadgets Mobiles.